to KL Bird Park. Selamat datang ke Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur. Alright. Okay guys, so before we start our show, how are you guys feeling today? Good, fine, great. Okay. Apa khabar semua? Baik, bagus. For your information, apa kabar Miss? How are you? And kabar baik me? I'm fine. Okay, very good. Alright. Okay, so my name is Rizwan and I'm your host for today. Okay guys, a little information about KL Bird Park. Okay, our place has started our operation here since 15 February 1991. And we are housing around 2,000 local and foreign birds with almost 100 different species of birds. Alright. Okay, so everybody, are you guys ready for the show? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's start our show, yeah? Okay, now I want to welcome our first performer. Please welcome Ringo, our blue and gold member. Ringo here is a patriotic bird. Yeah, okay, well done. Excellent, Ringo. Thank you so much, okay? Wow, okay, so Ringo just raised our national flag of Malaysia. Well done. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Alright, please welcome Ariel, the African grey parrot. Ariel. W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Welcome! Selamat datang. Okay, so Ariel, just welcome everyone to the bird show today and welcome to KL Bird Park. Alright. Okay guys, over here, Ariel would like to show you acrobatic skills. Aksi acrobatic ya dari Ariel. Boleh Ariel, okay. Please take your position. First ring. Okay, ready, alright. Okay. One, Ariel, you can do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Okay. Next ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Yes, thank you, Ariel. Okay, Coco. Our third bird. His name is Coco, yeah? So guys, right now, okay, how about we have a little chat with Coco. Maybe Coco here want to say something, right? Our audience today, Coco? So, Coco, over here you can see we have a lot of new friends here, okay? How about you say hello?
Hello.
Hey, you say hello, very good, right? Okay, well done. So, Coco, over here, Coco, you can see we have a lot of pretty ladies. Pretty ladies. How about you say hi?
Hi.
Coco say hi. Ready? Sweet. Coco say hi to already. And also a bit shy, you know, okay? Alright, Coco. You can see here, Coco, we have a lot of children. How about you give them a happy hello? Okay, happy hello. Happy hello. Very cheerful hello, okay? So happy today. Well done, Coco. Very good. Okay. So right now, Coco, I have one question for you. Okay. How do you feel today? Do you feel good or not? Good. Alright. Coco feel good. Wow. Tambah baik dia kata. Okay. I feel good too. Okay. How about you guys? You guys feel good too today? Yes, they feel good too, Coco. But Coco, are you sure you feel good today? Okay, if you feel good, can you show them your happy expression from your heart? See? Coco is laughing. It is Coco feeling so happy today, okay? Can we try? One more time, please, Coco. One more time, please. Okay, very good. How about last one? Come on, last one. Yes, excellent. Okay, thank you so